Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make my Oreo stuffed pancakes using an American inspired recipe. So I'll be making some fluffy pancakes. The recipe will be in the description bar below. Depending on how you mix your pancakes will determine whether your pancakes will be thick or thin. So if you would like to have thick pancakes like these, just make sure you don't overmix, and if you want thinner pancakes, make the mixture quite liquidy. Grease your pan lightly with some butter and then place your Oreos. In my pan I've used 3, but if your pan is a bit smaller then I would do 1 at a time. Be mindful of the amount of chocolate chips you are using if you're using some, because you don't want the pancakes to be sickly. Once you see some bubbles forming, this is an indication that your pancakes are ready to flip. As you can see, my pancakes are golden brown, which they should be, and you just keep repeating this process until you've used all of your batter, and you can stack them nicely and add some golden syrup and some crushed Oreos. This is my recipe completed. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. See you next time. Bye.